side, you see all your available widgets. Like you can drop your archives in, you can drop in a drop down of your categories by just saying, okay, categories, I want to drop down, and I want to show my post counts, which will show how many posts appear in each individual category. It's 50 posts about relationships, 50 posts about love, 50 posts about life in college or whatever. So you can easily drag and drop these in and out of the right sidebar, or even the footer areas, footer area 1, 2, and 3. And you can easily kind of build your page using these widgets. The other thing that you can do with these is drag what's called a text box in, which is one of the free options that comes with WordPress. So right here, text. So all I do is grab that text box and drag it into my sidebar wherever I want it. Drag it up here. I can type whatever I want and then anything in here. This could even be a picture, it could be a link, it could be pretty much whatever. So if I wanted it to be a link, unfortunately, this is what I was mentioning at the beginning of the class, I have to type in ahref equals http and then whatever my link is, .com, close my quotes, close my bracket, link text here, close my. So what I just built was like an HTML reference to a link. So in the text widget area on the sidebar, they don't give you the ability to just click that little link button and add a link. They make it kind of difficult for you, unfortunately. So I just use the normal HTML way of creating a link. Now, if for whatever reason you can't remember the HTML code that belongs in there, the website w3schools.com is the best resource for figuring out how to use HTML code. So let's say that I want to just do a link.
W3schools.com?
W3schools.com, yeah. So I just did a Google search or a search here on W3 Schools for link. And right here it shows you how to link to an external style sheet, or how to link to an image, or how to link just hypertext. So you can pretty much just follow along. You can follow along on W3 Schools for more information. So I think it would be like link, add, link, HTML. First one, HTML links. There you go, and it shows you that ahref tag that I just showed everybody. So w3schools.com, great resource for HTML information. But usually, for the most part, you should not have to use HTML. Just in that widget area is really when you're going to come across it. So I can save this box, close that up, go back to my page, refresh, and now you see here's the whatever I want section that I just added, and then here's anything I want, and then here's my link text right in there, and everything is working properly. So you could drop a quick quote in there, whatever you want, and you could remove it or add it whenever you want. Now the cool thing the one thing to remember about this widgets section is underneath available widgets we have the inactive widgets section. If you ever want to take something out of your main sidebar but save it for later, you drag it out of here and drag it into the inactive widgets section. Otherwise it'll be completely deleted when you drag it away. So here's Awesome Pages. If I take Awesome Pages and just drag it out, it's gone. Oop. It would be completely gone. And now it's not saved anymore. I can't get that back. I need to recreate that widget again in order to get it back. Like an example of that is, like, let's say it's July 4th. You create a July 4th widget that you're going to put up only the day of July 4th. You place it over in your inactive widgets section so that it's ready to go, and then you have one of your employees go in and drag it to the main sidebar on the 4th or whatever. And then after the 4th, you can just take it and drop it into your inactive widgets, and then next year on the 4th, you could drag it right back if you wanted to, or whatever. Maybe it's your monthly special every Wednesday, so you drag the specials box up there, leave it for the day, and take it off.